When you come to Romania, bring your English cash or your local currency if you're not from England. Get your cash and go to like a currency exchange. Just check obviously that the rate is better than at home, but generally speaking you will get a better rate than back home. For every £1 you should get roughly, like as of speaking today, which is September 2020, you should get between 5 and 5.31. So £1 is 5 to 5.31. I'm going to take £100 in English cash, and that should get me roughly 500 plus RON. Before, their old currency back in 2005 was Romanian leu, which used to have like 4 zeros on the end, so 15,000 leu, which is like such a high number, is now equivalent to like, I think it's 1.5 lei. So the new currency is Romanian lei. Sounds confusing, but that's basically what it's all about. Also, if you're spending money on your card here, it's always best to select the local currency. So if you're withdrawing cash at a cash point with your card, always select the local currency. Same with like petrol stations and stuff. When you're in a petrol station and you're paying on card, always select the local currency. Well, I hope that helps you people. Right, another tip here, when you're crossing the road, always wait for it to go green, because if you cross without it being green, you'll get fined. They stand there and watch you, they want to hand out fines, so don't just cross the road like we do in the UK. The police in the UK don't care when we cross roads, but here they do. Oh, he fell over there as well. Police were there, waiting. Yes please, yeah, exchange into lei please. Oh, thank you very much. Pussy. Right, even more confusing information. So in Oradea, they speak Hungarian as well as Romanian, because Oradea used to be part of Hungary. So roughly, this isn't gospel, but roughly 30 to 40% of the people here speak Hungarian. So like when I was in that currency exchange shop, I said "Kosi," which basically means thank you, but in Hungarian. But then as I walked out, rightly understood that she probably was thinking, why am I talking in Hungarian, because she may well only speak Romanian. Right, I'm going to go in here now and go and get some nice bit of fruit and veg. Proper grapes. Just got the bag out ready there and get some plums. 1 kilogram of plums will be about £1. If I eat a kilogram of that, I'll be on the toilet all night, so I'll probably get half a kilo. I love a chili pepper and some red ones. Yeah, two of them, and then two of those. Yeah, that's perfect. 2 lei for those chilies, and that equates to roughly 40 pence. We'll try it by pushing it. Let's try the local watermelon. It's got a big blade out. There you go. Oh, lovely. Yeah, very nice. So half a watermelon there. That was 10 lei, which is £2. Plain tea. Last me for about 5 minutes. Got lovely flowers. If you like flowers, I'm not really fussed about flowers, but if you like them, they do look very pretty. Right, now we're going to go local cheeses and produce. I had to come to the supermarket for salad. They didn't have any in the fruit and veg market. Never mind. Let's go to a bakery now. Oh, it's well too heavy for me. Chocolate croissant. There's big blobs of chocolate in it.
Congratulations, veg.
Cheers.
There you go. Thank you.
Cheers. So I had some of them Romanian chilies. I was going to put that in my salad, but you know, I think I'll swerve that. Oh, stick to the tomatoes. Quick. This chili bread looks amazing. There you go. Lunch is served. So Caesar salad with tuna, avocado. It's also got some just normal cheddar cheese, local homegrown tomatoes, and this fresh chili bread, and some salt and pepper, and the chilies on it, which are like fire. But I can't wait to try it. Going to a lovely little park up tonight. Gonna get the awning out and everything. I've got some local Palinka to drink. What percentage is this?
Hány százalékos?
52.
52.
52% in a water bottle, but that's not water. Don't let it kid you. Let me try. That's enough. Just one sip. Was it sesame seeds and just bread, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. And cheddar. I'm struggling to finish this now. Well, that's it. That Palinka has knocked me for 6. Stuff literally goes through you. Oh, whoa. It's made from grapes. Made from this garden here. Would you believe? I'll show you do a walnut then. Right, pick it from the tree. And then Joseph, we literally stand on it, yeah? There you go, and that's your walnut. It's going to stain my hand.
Yeah.
And now we know why walnuts are so expensive, because you have to stand on them.
This is how he does it, but it's painful. Still white. And
Oh, wow.
what we tend to do, just peel off the brown layer, and that's gonna make it really tasty.
Oh, lovely.
Valami to magyarul vagy.
Alright, that's nice.
Nicer
crunchy.
than when it's fried.
Yeah, you know, like, normally when you have them, they're like, you know, they just stay.
I'm glad no.
Not like this, no. That's lovely. Let's have some more. Come on, quickly. Hurry up. Now.
I'll get them out. Wait.
Oh, that is nice. You normally only have them at Christmas time. But, like, generally speaking.
Neked most kérik.
Got to pick them from there.
Yeah.
Got walnut hands.
Until it washes off properly, it's gonna stay green.
Oh, is it? I don't care. My hands have been in worse places than those walnuts.
I painting. This is
Very tasty
So
walnuts.
try them with the skin off on.
On. That's how I know them with skins on. Apparently they give you a hard on. Walk around the Romanian village after eating a load of walnuts. Right, so this is where the onions are stored. When you live in a village, keep them in a nice wooden crate storage box type thing. Single layer only, evidently, because if you double them up they go bad, so you just leave them single layer like that in a nice outer shed. I don't even know what this is. And this is the park up for tonight. All set up, got the awning out. Well, I'm being dragged down here, let's go and have a look. Oh wow, so these are from the garden?
Yes.
Oh, incredible. Maybe these will last, what, 1 week or 1 year?
Why? This one year.
1 week. You like chips? Is it chips you like?
Yes, it's like for yeah.
I barely stand up in it, my head's hitting the top.
Same garden.
Oh, they're big tomatoes, aren't they?
Yes. This same oil.
For oil?
Yeah.
Or olive oil or sunflower?
Not pork. This.
Oh, pork! Pork oil! She said for this. Toaster.
Like?
Yeah, I like this. Traditional toaster. Health and safety. If and when you come to a Romanian house in the village, just make sure to duck. I've probably hit my head about 300 times today. On the positive side, my hair's grown back. Here you go, look. Duck. Just cracked it on the toilet. All good though. And the switch is upside down on the light. All the firewood. When it gets cold, that's what you use to heat your home up in the village. What is it?
Hogy ne ragadjon rá.
So it's not gonna stick on the dark.
Ah, anti-stick.
And she clean.
But what is it?
Lard.
Oh, it's lard. Oh, so that's like fat. It looks like a crumpet. Crumpet, you know crumpet? It looks like a crumpet.
Bacon. Pork
Bacon, wow. Lovely that. Brought a bit of tradition to the table. KFC sauce from Lidl in Romania.